Hi, can you hear
Hi,
me?
so yeah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing
Hi,
great.
Jahangir.
Hi,
Oh,
how
we're
are you?
putting on videos. Okay, it's good.
Yes.
Let me see. All right.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Nice to see all of you. How are things?
Thank you very much.
You're in Bangladesh, right?
Yes, we're in Bangladesh.
So right now, what is the time over there?
It's 10:17 p.m.
Okay, it's half an hour. So here in India, it's 9:47 p.m.
Yeah, I know.
So, all right, cool.
So,
Okay.
when you have come in India?
I usually come every 3, 4 months. My mother is not that well, so she has dementia. So I
Mm,
come here to just, see things, make sure everything is okay, and then I go back.
oh, okay, got
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Anyways,
I know you stay very busy. That's why
yeah,
I'm asking you.
it just things just pile up, and I've been trying to, get. I'm actually doing like two different jobs. My product
Yeah.
is one, then marketing stuff is another, and then I have clinical operations team, so it's a lot of things happening at the same time. But I don't. What I wanted to talk about was that we started with the Google Analytics. I haven't had a chance to even go through that. But the first thing, one of the things that I wanted to get started with was putting on the website the blog section, which is what we are lacking because what we want to do is promote more people coming into our website. So I wanted to start creating like a blog section on the website, and then slowly move towards having individual pages for some of the solutions that we have. So right now, I think the big thing is for us is to create the blog section, and then I can start with giving you some content to publish, and we can post it on LinkedIn and all that. So I that's one thing. The second is that we are in the process of releasing a couple of new one is a care program, and one is there are two new product lines. So on the care program itself, I wanted to create like these mini videos that needs to be given to the patients. So remember, we had the remote patient monitoring, and we had like a 50-second video or 55-second video, similar to that. But this will be more like a instructional video, like a training instruction. So basically, within our app, we have like certain features that where the patients have to use it, and they have to do like they have to follow the instructions to put that information in the app. So it's really what we need is more of a recording of the actual feature, how to use it, and then kind of put it in a video format. So when they play it, it's like instruction: go here, click here, and then go to the next screen. Here's what you click, here's what you enter, all of those things. I don't know if you have done something like that in the past where you have like more of an instructional video that you've done.
Yeah, we can do that. No problem. I already talked with our video editor. He will
Hmm.
do that.
Okay, all right. So I will. So what do you need from me on that particular for that particular product video, like a training video, basically?
We just need the like products image and content.
Hmm.
That would be enough. Then you
Hmm.
can provide us some instruction. What should we follow? That would be enough to make full video.
So if I give you like an actual like we have the product ready, I can start with giving you some of that, at least one or two videos, and then I want like where to show the instruction and all that. So.
Okay, sure. So, should we add the products videos on the video, or should we just use the product image on the video?
Which one is, yeah, maybe product image will be better, right? Because then it kind of holds still. And what I need is like a way to show here is what you do, here is what you click, and then it goes
Yeah.
to the
So
next
I
set of
think
steps.
if you can send me full of the product image all site, that would be
Hmm.
good to use on the video.
Okay, all right. Okay, I will send you a demo video of how the that feature, and we have like two or three such features. So I will start with one of them, but there are like two or three more that I can show you. But I'll send you those videos, and then you can start putting, like, I'll send you the instructions and everything as well, like a script of what needs to be shown where and all that. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay. And what
Huh.
about the animated video, as you said before?
That requires a lot of thinking. It's something that this is something that these mini videos have been asked by a customer, so that's why I put that as a high priority for now, because then she can send that to her patients and all that. So that's why I put that. The
Would be that
animated
like
video.
testimonial type of video, or
No, it's not a testimonial type video. It is more of a instructional video because
oh,
she is like a psychiatrist and she's asking her patients to
okay,
use Coligomed. So as part of that, she wants patients to do certain things like take their ketone readings, or take their do their surveys on time, do their basically do their food logging and all that on time. So things like that is what we are sending. So patient, once they get the app, we will tell them that click here, do log your food this way, or click here, log your ketone readings this way. So that's kind of like and maybe other things as well on the patient, in the patient app, what can be which will be relevant to that patient.
should use any graphics or image on that video?
Meaning, what kind of graphics and image?
Like, have you any image to use on that video, or just would be text on the animated video?
um
I'm asking about
they will be
animated
more
video.
like the
Yeah.
they will be more like the coach marks, right? Like you click, you point the arrow to that particular feature, and then you describe certain thing of what will happen if you don't do this, or what you need to think about doing this, all of that.
Okay, got it. So, if you have any example video, that would be better to understand.
Like, you mean like an instructional video,
Yeah, instructional or like example
like
video.
how?
What kind
Okay,
of
okay,
video?
like a video like I sent
Yes,
last time.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
I will try finding that and send it out. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
so let's talk about website. Uh, should I add an section on the home page for the blog?
So let's go there, right? So most of the let's go into the collegomed.com.
You can try to share your screen so we
Yeah,
can.
yeah. I'm going to share my screen. Um, oh, where's yeah. So here, give me a minute. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So on the website, so typically there is, if you go to any other, let me go into one of the reference websites that I usually go into. So how they have like the resources and they have all of these things. Right now, what we are going to start with is just the blog, right? And we'll just show that we are there will be so if you go in here, there'll be like blog posts and all that, and then we can once we get a lot of the things, we can once we get other material and all that, like press releases and all that, then we can change it to resources. But for now, it's just going to be the blog article. So over here,
We are
if we
not
click
getting
on
your
this.
screen. Just to add.
Oh, sorry. I was in another. Yeah. So sorry. So you can see over here how they have the resources, right? Because they have all these things. But for us, initially, it will be just blog. Once we get everything else sorted out, we can convert it to resources. But for now, it's just blog. And then let's say if we go into blog, then they have these, articles and all that. So we want like simple graphics and everything. We'll
Mm-hmm.
start with a couple of blog articles, and then when you do click on read more, it should be it should have this page and all that. So we'll that's where I think I'll have to give you some good content for it. But those are things that we want to get started.
Yeah, got it. No problem. We can do
Yeah.
that.
So basically, the question is, each time we create a new blog or want a new blog,
Hmm.
will you need to be able to publish it, or will you give something where we are able to do it ourselves?
Basically, when you have a blog to upload, that's very easy. I will guide you how you can
Okay.
upload yourself. You can do
Uh-huh.
that, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we don't have to depend on you for every time we want to publish a blog. It will follow the same structure. What about the graphics itself? That's something that you may have to create, right? The
Yes.
graphics. Okay. All right.
Graphics.
Yeah, so that's something
We
while
need an thumbnail image for each blogs.
correct. Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. So yeah, so that's what it is. So we can get started with putting this on the website, and then for each of these like the platform and care programs and all, we have similar structure where we can, if you go here, we have the platform solutions. So we'll start expanding on this. So what I need is, well, this is already platform solutions, but when it comes to integrated care programs, we'll expand each of these pages. Each one of these will become its own page or so. So that's what we want.
Uh, okay, so we can add submenu, no problem. Under
Yeah, but I need to give you the content also, right? So that's where it will take some time. For
yes,
now,
we
we
know.
can start with the blogs. I will start preparing something on the blogs, and then we'll at least start with publishing one or two blog articles.
Okay,
While I give you the other demo videos and everything, we'll start with the blog articles or so. So that's
okay. So
initial.
should we add blog section on the homepage or just should blog
Yeah, for
blog
now,
on the
what we can have is blogs and then say coming soon. But as soon as I have the blog articles, we can upload that in there.
Okay, so now I think I can create an blog page and that I can add on the menu.
Yeah. But before you publish anything, let me review it, and
Yes,
then we
sure.
can put it in test mode and all that. So
Yeah,
all that needs to happen. Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions
Uh,
for now?
I don't have any other questions for the blog, so
Okay.
I
All
think
right.
when you
And
will
then I will send
provide.
you the video, the demo video, so you can start with that as well.
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
Okay,
For the blog's uploading option, we will send you an guide video so that you can upload it by yourself.
Okay.
As
Okay.
well, for the thumbnail, you can hire us for the designing the thumbnail for each
I
blog.
see. Okay. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Once you send me the instructions, I will take a look at that.
yeah, sure.
Okay. But
First,
you
some
need to do
blog.
something. You need to set up something in the website, right? Though for
Yes,
that section. Okay. Yeah. All
yeah.
right. Okay.
We will do that, and for the first time, we will upload some blog for you, and I'll
Okay.
guide you.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. That works. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then for the other items, I'll get to it slowly, one by one. But this is what we can get started with.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Take your time.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you
Okay.
so much. I will
Okay.
send you everything. Okay.
Okay. Thanks for your
All right.
time.
Thanks. Sure. Bye.
Goodbye.